Hi, so today we are going to solve select by ID question, which is under the skill set of SQL basic, and in the subdomains of basic select. This makes it a beginner's question. Let's get started. Before I start with my question, I would like to select my interface as my SQL. And now let's look at the question. Query all columns for a city in the city with the ID 1661. So we have to get the city which has the ID 1661 in the city table, and we have to query all the columns. Like we have to get ID, name, country code, district, population, all the details. So let's start the query. First, select asterisk from city. So if I do this, if I run this query, okay, I will get all the details. So this is it. But now I have a restriction. So the restriction is where ID is equal to 1661. Now let's run this code. As you can see, for the ID 1661, we have got the name Sayama, country code is Japan, Saitama, and this population. Now let me just submit this code, and this is how we will solve this question. And as you can see, it's a success. So that's that. Thank you.